Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. Do you want to flaunt fair and flawless skin? Fair and flawless complexion is a dream for many girls out there. Though you might not be born with flawless skin, but there are a lot of fairness creams and lotions that promise you fairer and flawless skin. There are a lot of natural home remedies that you can try instead of these chemical-laden concoctions. These home remedies will help you to get rid of tan and pigmentation, leaving you with fair and flawless skin. In this video, we will tell you 7 home remedies for glowing skin at home in 7 days, and how to use them. Before going into video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Number 1. Honey. Honey is a great moisturizer and helps to keep the skin well hydrated. Honey's antibacterial properties help to ward off infections and also reduce blemishes and acne at home. Honey ensures spotless skin. It is rich in bleaching properties and helps in fading of pigmentation and scars. You can directly apply honey on your face and neck area, but ensure that your skin is clean and damp. Massage for a few minutes, allowing it to get absorbed by the skin. Now, wash off with lukewarm water. Number 2. Tomato. Tomato contains lycopene, which protects you against the sun and helps to reduce suntan instantly. Tomatoes can be the best natural ingredient that you can turn to if you want skin lightening treatment. It will not only help to get rid of tan but will also cure acne. To use tomatoes on your skin, make a pulp of tomato and mix it with a little bit of lemon juice. Apply this paste on your face, keep it for 20 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. You can use this paste every day before a bath to get fair skin. Number 3. Lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It boosts collagen production, maintaining the elasticity of the skin. It also helps to lighten our skin tone and moisturize our skin. It works amazingly on darkened knees and elbows. Lemons are antibacterial and prevent infections and acne. They also detox our body. If you wish to apply lemon on your skin, please perform a patch test initially. Make a solution of lemon juice and water in the ratio of 2:3, and gently apply on your skin using cotton. Leave for 10 minutes and wash with cool water. Then pat dry. You can also add few drops of lemon juice to other homemade face masks. Number 4. Milk. Tyrosine, the melanin-controlling hormone, leads to darkening of the skin. Milk controls the level of tyrosine in the skin and promotes a skin full of glow. Raw milk is one of the easiest accessible ingredients for getting good-looking skin. You can apply raw milk to your skin or mix it with any other ingredients and form a paste. Number 5. Cucumber. Dry skin, chapped skin, dark circles? Include cucumbers not only in your diet but also in your beauty regimen. Cucumber has the same pH level as that of our skin. It helps in replenishing the skin's protective layer, keeps the skin hydrated, thus promoting glowing skin. You can put slices of cucumber on your eyes as they show in all the magazines and televisions. You can also put cucumber in a mixer grinder and apply the juice. Number 6. Papaya. This one comes with a secret beauty ingredient, papain. Not only is papain good for your liver but works wonders for your skin. This enzyme has skin lightening properties and can lighten blemishes and scars if applied to them. Papaya also acts as a gentle exfoliator and helps in removing inactive protein cells and dead skin cells. It gives wonderful results and keeps the skin looking young and healthy with a beautiful glow. Papaya can be put in a mixer grinder too, and the paste can be applied generously on the skin. Number 7. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that are good for our skin. Aloe vera keeps skin glowing and soft. It also prevents acne. Aloe vera application on sunburns helps in faster healing. Aloe vera application on the skin helps to keep skin hydrated, improves elasticity, and prevents the development of wrinkles. You can make aloe vera juice at home or add aloe vera gel to smoothies and other drinks. It can also be applied directly on the skin. Gently scrape out aloe gel from the leaves and apply on your skin. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse your skin with cool water and pat dry. If you know any other factor, please comment below. Please take a moment to click the thumbs up button and share this information with your family and friends. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Stay healthy.